Minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sa ngalan po ng aming butihing ministro, si Honorable Ahmad Tox Brahim, at sa kanyang members ng executives, sa pangunguna po ng Bangsamoro Director General, Attorney Nader Salindab. Isang makakalikasang umaga po sa atin lahat! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My message is to congratulate you. Congratulations everyone for extending your hands for a collective act for climate and coastal resilience in the Bangsamoro. Today, as we gather, we are putting yet another historic event as we simultaneously and for the first time going to plant more than 1,000 of propagules and seedlings of different species of mangrove. Why we say so that it's a historic? We keep on putting Bangsamoro in the map of the world as never before. Before, we're not part of any international events as we just come what may. We are used to the come what may arrangement. Now, we have different partners. I'd like to acknowledge the my regional colleagues, particularly from the MAFAR and different organizations within the regional government, our provincial governments from Maguindanao del Norte, some parts of Maguindanao del Sur, although they are landlocked, but they come here all the way to join us in this historic event. Llano del Sur, Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Why it is very important for us? Because our terrain, our physical terrain is quite unique as we are very geographic in nature. We have the Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi as a chain of small islands. That is why no wonder that we are the #1 straight for 3 years. #1 producer of marine species. How about that? Palakpakan po natin. Congratulations sa Bangsamoro government. Kaya panatilihin po natin ang ating yamang kalikasan sa pamamagitan ng pag-rehabilitate. Keep extending your hands in conserving our mangrove. Dito po sa mga kasamahan ko sa MENRE Forest Management Services, kami po, simula nang umupo ang Bangsamoro government, nag-implement po kami ng Integrated Bangsamoro Greening Program at isa po sa pinaka-priority namin ay ma-rehabilitate ang mga denuded and open mangrove areas in the Bangsamoro. Kaya nakapagtanim na po tayo ng higit kumulang 6,000 hectares across the Bangsamoro, mashallah. That's for mangrove alone. And kakatapos lang po ng aming drafting of the Bangsamoro Sustainable Forest Management Code. It's yet another landmark policy of not just Bangsamoro but the Philippines. Revised forestry codes back in 1975 obsolete. They keep on pushing in the Congress. My colleagues from GPP keep pushing for that. Dahil obsolete po ang revised forestry code, here in the Bangsamoro, we have drafted already, completed the Bangsamoro Sustainable Forest Management Code. How about that? Palakpakan po natin. Ano po ang nakalaan sa Bangsamoro Forestry Code? We are liberalizing and putting more meaning to the conservation of mangrove. In the national level, they're saying that mangrove is a no-go zone. Kung yun po ang ipapatupad na batas natin sa Pilipinas, kulang po ang facilities natin sa mga kapatid natin na BGMP. Kailangan nyo po bumuo ng isang buong malaking isla para ikulong ang lahat ng Bangsamoro dahil nandun po tayo nakatira sa coastal. Impractical po na no-go zone ang ating mangrove. Kaya po sa forestry code na ginawa natin dito sa Bangsamoro, we are liberalizing it by wisely utilizing the mangrove resources. Kaya po, isang malaking karangalan na kami po ay nakagawa ng batas para tugunan ang pangangailangan ng henerasyon ngayon at sa henerasyon na nasusunod. Mga salinlahi, baga. Hindi ko na po pahabain ang aking talumpati, kaya I'd like to congratulate you again. Congratulations for this first ever simultaneous bar-wide Mangrove International Day. Palakpakan po natin natin mga sarili. With that, thank you so much, Miss Beautiful. What's your name?
Thank you so much, Dr. Abdul Jalil Umna, Director 2 of MedStar. Okay, another message of support.